Are you looking for the ultimate upgrade for your Jeep's performance and traction? If so, ask your mechanic if the Yukon Stage 2 Regear Kit is right for you. This Yukon Stage 2 kit comes packed with everything you need to take your off-roading experience to the next level. Inside you'll find high-quality rings and pinions, Yukon Master installation kits, and hardcore diff covers for the front and rear. Yukon's in-house engineering team has been designing gears for over 40 years, exceeding the performance expectations placed on these gears. And let's not forget about the Yukon hardcore diff covers. These nodular iron covers are built to withstand the toughest hits in performance off-road driving. This Stage 2 kit is specifically designed to fit the front Dana 44 M210 and rear Dana 44 M220 differentials. But these kits are also offered for many other applications. Yukon gear kits can be purchased with a wide array of ratios, from 411 to 456, 488, 513, and 538 gears, giving you the control to conquer any terrain. Trust in the strength and reliability of your gears. Upgrade to the Yukon Stage 2 kit and enhance your Jeep's traction for the most demanding off-road adventures. If you're interested in the Stage 2 Jeep Regear Kit by Yukon Gear and Axle, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.